Welcome to SAT Education. In this lesson, we'll break down SAT concepts step by step so you can solve questions faster and with confidence.
So when we approach geometry problems on the SAT, understanding these basic formulas is crucial for solving area and volume questions efficiently.
As you can see from this graph, understanding the foundational math concepts is crucial for improving your score on the quantitative section. Let's start with SAT math. Most students lose points not because the question is hard, but because the concept isn't clear.
In the SAT, every question is designed to test a single idea. If you identify that idea, the answer becomes obvious.
Here's the smart way to solve SAT questions. First, understand what the question is really asking. Second, eliminate wrong choices.
You don't need to solve every question perfectly. You need to solve the right questions correctly.
If you follow the right method and practice consistently, improving your SAT score is completely achievable.
This is just the beginning. With the right concepts and smart practice, SAT success becomes simple.